Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Koka Tom Yum noodles. First, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 1 packet of Koka Tom Yum instant noodles, about 350 milliliters of fresh water, a small cooking pot, and a serving bowl. This quick and easy meal is perfect for a busy day, offering a delicious and satisfying experience in just a few minutes. Get ready to enjoy a truly flavorful dish that is both simple and satisfying. Now let's get cooking. Begin by boiling approximately 350 milliliters of fresh water in a small saucepan. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, carefully add the Koka Tom Yum noodle block. Allow the noodles to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. This short cooking time ensures they become perfectly tender, ready to absorb all the wonderful Tom Yum flavors. With your noodles cooked, it's time to add the signature Tom Yum flavor. Carefully open and empty both seasoning sachets directly into the pot with the hot noodles and broth. Stir everything thoroughly for about 15 seconds, ensuring the rich spices and oils are evenly distributed. Then, immediately pour the fragrant noodles and broth into your serving bowl. Your delicious Koka Tom Yum noodles are now ready. For an extra burst of freshness, squeeze in some fresh lime juice. You can also garnish with chopped cilantro or a few slices of red chili for a little kick. To make it a more complete meal, consider adding cooked shrimp, chicken, or tofu. Enjoy your personalized and flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.